Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another vehicle in the shop. This is a 2019 Cadillac XT4, and then we are going to be doing a full engine replacement. Basically, this vehicle was involved in like a minor accident, and then after that they like left like the coolant lines open, and then all of like the coolant got leaked, it got overheated. They like tried to fix it with like the head gasket sealer, but it did work. But after that they like really didn't like drive the vehicle that much, and then there was like some like water that did went inside the combustion area, and that did corroded out the system, so this engine is now gone. So we do have a replacement engine available, which we could just like swap it out. So this is what we're gonna be doing right now. So we are located in the Dallas area. We have 35 years of experience working on all makes and all models. So if you do need any work done, just like feel free to comment below or just call me at 469-714-7669. Even if you're like out of state, you do need any type of help, you can still call me. And this is the replacement engine, which we are going to be installing. The transmission is still attached to it, so we are going to like detach that as well. So here you go, we are going to like first start out with like removing the air intake, and then also like the front impact bar, so like we have like better access. And then we're going to also start like removing all of the harnesses. And then also like remove the battery cover, also the battery frame, the ECM. Here we have the ECM completely removed now. So this is the a 2-liter turbocharged GM's 4-cylinder engine, which makes 237 horsepower and then a 258 pound-feet of torque. The engine itself is pretty good. So like right now we have everything removed, and then now this engine is like ready to be hoisted up. We also like remove the engine mounts and everything. And then here's the turbocharger. Okay, so here we have the engine being hoisted up. So it's actually easier to just like replace everything, the transmission and the engine, if you do have an extra transmission, like how we had it. Like we didn't have but we didn't have a lift, so like it wasn't really like feasible. So like the only way was to just like hoist it up over the top. So we have the old engine out and they're ready for the new engine in. So here comes the new engine in. There goes the new engine in, just like making sure it's like right in place. Just like mounted correctly with the transmission. And then I'm gonna be honest, for like this job, it was like pretty like normal and like pretty easy. But like the only major issue was like the starter motor. So it is like placed in like in a really like in a weird location. And then in front of it you have all that coolant lines. It's just like a mess. So that was like the hardest part from that like whole process. And then also I didn't have an extra camera to like also like show all of like the work from the under of the vehicle, which I did. Sorry about that. I was just only using a single camera, so I could have like only placed it at the top. And then now we're just like putting back everything together, all of the harness, the engine mounts, and everything in. So in total, it did take us, like you can say, like close to like 11 hours in total for all of that. And then, as I said before, if you guys do need any work done, feel free to call me or just like text me or just like leave a comment down below. And then here we go. We have the new engine installed. Everything is good. We like tested out everything. It runs perfectly, but we are gonna run the crank sensor we learned later on, not now, later on. And then everything is good to go. And then this vehicle will be handed back to the customer. If you didn't enjoy the video, please do like, subscribe, and do share the video, and then please do press that bell icon so like you do not miss any of my other videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.